Having a cool swimming pool for adults as well as your kids can add value, personality, and fun to your property. That said, it can also take a lot of real estate, be difficult to maintain, and presents a safety hazard to young children. In this video, we'd be looking at some cool swimming pool outdoor designs with clever solutions to overcome those problems. You're watching Cool Tech Gadgets and News. Here are some incredible hidden swimming pools and swimming pool cover systems for modern houses. First, let's take a look at some innovations from Agor. They are the industry leader company that specializes in movable swimming pool floors among tens of swimming pools builders. This skillfully designed swimming pool installation example is cladded with teakwood, which is suitable for any outdoor occasion. When instructed by push-button controls, the floor lowers down to reveal the full swimming pool and the swimming pool steps leading into it. The smart system is able to determine the height of the water and when the floor is in its mid-state. The water height can even be set as desired, then its top position. The wooden deck access pools cover and the standard flooring, meaning that owners can reclaim their own yard space. Agor offers a unique personalized service and ensures that their clients' individual styles and customer requirements are met. Their movable floor systems are individually designed to meet any architectural or structural requirement. Movable stone paved floor. If you are not satisfied by the wooden design or if it doesn't fit your property aesthetic, they also offer the stone paved floor version with swimming pool tiles to your swimming pool for home. It adds beauty and safety to this home, creating a relaxing open space. The company employs a team of skilled designers, engineers, and talented craftsmen who are able to work with a range of different materials. The floor have two key features: water-based hydraulic system and a stainless steel base. Each system is installed using the highest quality components available. This guarantees client peace of mind when hydraulics are deployed inside the swimming pool. Established in 1990 as a leader among many swimming pool builders, Agor draws upon 2 decades of expertise and mechanical engineering projects. Movable floor in swimming pool outdoor by matching the look of the surrounding area. Pools can even be hidden from view entirely when not in use, to be revealed as a showpiece later, no doubt to the delight of a first-time guest and satisfaction of pool owners. If you have young children, it's going to be dangerous to leave them unsupervised around open pools. This system allows you to effectively close the pool, making it safe for everyone to work and play on its outdoor space. Teakwood has a high degree of natural durability and is resistant to decades. Unlike other woods, it would not be damaged by water. Teakwood is even resistant to many acids. Agor Movable Floor Pool 3. Agor states that they welcome any challenge and they are constantly inventing new ways to define and redefine the space in which we live, work or play. This particular swimming pool deck is made from wood plastic composite, which provides a unique covering for swimming pool overflow channel. The swimming pool steps are quarter circle shapes rather than the traditional straight edges. That's no problem for Agor, though the company has built a custom wide range of design and creative engineering solutions for private homes, public facilities, and industrial spaces. Depending on the size and the scope of the project, transformation from usable floor space to swimming pool only takes a few minutes. The courtyard area of this home can now be used for multiple functions rather than just one. Triple combination movable floors. This triple combination movable floors is on another level. Literally, the first cover opens and allows a sliding platform to reveal the swimming pool steps in the poolside seating area. Then the swimming pool mosaic floor descends in the vacated space, fills with water and creating swimming pool out of nowhere. Agor throws from over 2 decades of experience to make complicated swimming pool designs look simple and practical. Abrasive Pro. Now let's switch things up. Let's look at some cool swimming pool covers from different company. Abrasive. Their Pro division specializes with wooden and aluminum roofs with dimensions ranging from 13 to 30 meters wide, like this one, mainly aimed at the tourism sector. Abrasive offers solutions for swimming pool hotels designs for hotels and holiday residences to help deal with different seasons and climates. The swimming pool covers are easy to operate using simple mechanism and durable materials. They have installed both manual and automatic systems. Abrasive motorized low covers is 15 meters long and can be retracted automatically by your remote control. It offers security all year round and is especially useful in autumn as it protects the pool from the too many leaves that falls from the surrounding trees, as well as saving on swimming pool maintenance costs. The swimming pool cover helps to control the water temperature and extends the bathing season, meaning owners can get maximum use out of this swimming pool. Low cover all-in-one. Low cover can be customized to fit a range of pool sizes. Expert professionals from Abrasive are able to size up your pool and install the swimming pool covers in a single afternoon. This example was installed in Madrid, Spain, and demonstrates the flexibility of the installation process. You can also see the components that make up the cover and get a good idea of the material. The use operation of the cover is swift and easy. The multiple sections of the swimming pool design can glide over each other for completely opening the pool, or the owner can choose to have a certain section elevated on legs. This provides shades in the warmer months without feeling like a greenhouse inside. Cover Seal Automatic Cover. The Cover Seal Automatic Cover is a house inside this motorized high-ceiling conservatory, which is the ultimate housing unit for any pool, while the solid structures provide security and comfort wherever the weather. The Cover Seal system helps to clean, maintain, and protect the pool. All in one go simple use. The push button control stored inside the machine itself, and you can walk alongside or watching it to play high tensile seal or the pool surface. It is strong enough to walk over, making it safe for children and parents. In a matter of minutes, your outdoor summer pool can be transformed into an inviting indoor pool thanks to these innovative swimming pool heating designs. When it gets too cold, the heated pool is the ultimate luxury, and you can bathe in comfort along the winter season. Flat motorized cover. Here is a flat motorized cover installed at home in Portugal. It was designed as part of Abrasive Invisible collections. When instructed by remote control, the panels slide out of the way to the far end of the pool installed neatly on top of each other. Thanks to these innovative swimming pool heating designs, it's going to be a great energy saver, and of course when closed, it provides peace of mind by preventing any accidents involving young children, making it a great swimming pool for kids. The flat cover option is non-intrusive and allows the owner to retain the space in their garden as well as their beautiful countryside views. Wooden cover. Our final entry from Abrasive is the majestic high wooden cover. It suits the stylish look of modern house and provides a peaceful environment for the perfect swim. The large wooden panels can be easily moved by hands and run along a track that is securely fixed to the side of the house. The lead-colored woods and clear glass gives the feel of a cozy country retreat and allows for wonderful views of the outdoors. Who wouldn't swim here? To summarize, what do you think of these modern pool innovations? Feel free to let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more interesting and creative contents. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you again next time.